Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is November 20th on a Monday morning, and looking at the SPY here, man, thought we'd see a pullback by now on the SPY after a huge, almost a 1 month move there in at least 3 weeks there. I'm looking at this kind of double top over here. You can see my price alert that's set there. We may want to attempt that in the next couple of days. Time will tell, but we're not seeing much of a pullback. Let's take a look at some setups this morning. First on my list is AI. This was actually the trade of the week also. This was on my list, and Steve had it on his list as well. Looking for a possible move back above that 30, trading now around 29.38 in pre-market. Let's see here. The CRNX has been playing around up here for a long time, after a news generated a move there. It's been kind of in a channel. I still think you probably have to wait, for it to break out of this channel. Maybe stick your price alert up there at the high of that channel there and just, set it and forget it, we like to say. A couple of China plays, TAL. This is one that's holding up very well. I think a move above, let's call it the 985 level. And it's trading right there right now. Could be an open gap and go pretty quickly in that one. Earnings play YMM. It's a China play that's earnings. You can see it's been in a very wicky, nasty. If this is not your style, but it's really been in a dollar range. So just kind of play size accordingly. But if it does get above after earnings above that 58 level. Keep an eye on it. It'll be breaking out of a range there in that YMM. All right, there's a few more on there today, but that's it. Keep it tight. We're still kind of overextended, but not pulling back. Have a great one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.